All right, students, welcome to your lab on physical weathering. So to do this lab, we will need a timer, you will need a chunk of sidewalk chalk, and you will need the specialty equipment, the erosion tubes, which come preloaded with gravel. This is the exact same gravel that we use in our Build a Rock activity, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be simulating a stream or a river and see how it wears down the rocks that are in it. So to do that, we take our chalk. Now this is going to be our rock that we are going to be eroding. The reason why we're using chalk is that chalk is really, really soft. If we used a harder rock like quartzite, well, we'd be here till the end of school shaking our tubes and nothing would happen. Okay, this allows us to condense the time and see what would normally take years in like 15 minutes, okay? So let's do this. So we take our chalk, which is our rock, we put it into our tube, which is our stream with lots of gravel in it. We close the tube. Make sure not to close it too tightly. After all, remember, you will be checking this tube every 5 minutes and making observations, okay? So at 5 minutes of shaking, draw the chalk, describe the chalk in words, okay? So now it's time to shake, 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 shake your erosion tube, shake your erosion tube. And you'll see after a while that your chalk starts to get worn down. Don't know if you can see it there, but we do have some erosion already happening and it's only been a couple seconds, okay? So do keep that in mind, okay? That's what the timer's for. Make sure that you have it every 5 minutes, okay? Now, I recommend that you actually do this, actually I'm going to require it, that you do this lab with 3 partners. The reason being is that this tube isn't the lightest thing in the world. So after a minute or two, you might get tired and need to pass it off to somebody else. And that person can look at the timer to make sure you don't go over your time. In addition, if you would like, remember, this is a tube. It's round, therefore it rolls really nicely. So if you would like to instead have a seat on the floor and roll the tube between you to shake it up, that's fine and works just as well as shaking it like this. Okay? So I wish you luck on your lab and I will see you next lab.